It was a talking point, a comment from Manqoba Mngqithi. Do you share the same sentiment, Mr. Makaab?
So I've always been an advocate of playing young players, because the only way young players develop is if they, in my opinion, are thrown in to the deep end. But there is a time and a place to throw youngsters in. You look at Rele. Rele was brought along very slowly by Rivero. And then when Pirates started gaining momentum, Rele was introduced more often, started a number of games, and now is almost a regular starter. And we've seen what he's done. It's very difficult to bring in a group of youngsters when the team is still struggling to find its rhythm, to find consistency. I said it on social media, and I was hammered by certain people, but I'm going to repeat it again. It was not the youngsters that let Kaizer Chiefs down. You know, people talk about that ball from Samkelo Zwane that led to the penalty. Sure, I accept that. There are going to be mistakes made by young players who don't have that experience of the pressure situation. However, take away that. The players that let Chiefs down were the senior players. And again, you know, I looked at the captain, Miguel Inacio. I think he's a top-class football player, but he's got to be less emotional. He's going to get yellow card after yellow card, red card after red card, if he doesn't calm himself down. And as a captain, you need to have that composure and that sense of calmness, so that when the young players around you are losing their head, or feel intimidated, or feel overwhelmed, it's then your senior players, your captain and your senior players, who have to steady the ship. And unfortunately, Chiefs' senior players never steadied that ship at all.